Welcome everybody to Good News Jamaica, where we highlight hidden gems. Today we have with us the wonderful Robert Williams. Robert is a man among men. As a man said, Robert is a very interesting person, a university graduate, and he also is legally blind. So let me just go ahead and ask Robert to just briefly introduce himself to you.
Hello Jamaica, hello to the world. Big up Good News Jamaica, Charles Ayat and team. My name is Robert Williams. I have been blind since age 12, that's 21 years ago. First of all, when I just got blind and thing, my parents got me into the Salvation Army School for the Blind. And then from there, I went on to Jamaica College after I completed the GSAT at JC, Chublo to the world. Yeah, I did my CAPE subjects, CXC subjects and CAPE subjects, and went on to University of the West Indies, where I did a degree in Management Studies, Entrepreneurship. Well, since I completed my degree, I've been on the job hunt. I have gone to various organizations in Jamaica, and so far I have not been able to get any employment due to the fact that my money was running out and thing, and desperation, I realized that I needed an income. So one day I bought a bag of lollipop from downtown, and I went up to University of the West Indies and went down to one of the halls, the Rex Nettleford Hall, and started selling them. The students and so was very impressed, and they were willing to support me. And from there, I went back downtown and I bought some other snacks and
So you just never
cakes
let
and
nothing stop you?
never made nothing stop me. And then eventually I branched out into other stuff like puddings and Gizaadas, drops, peanut cake, and a whole myriad of things. Right now, me at the walk-in shop. Yeah, man.
I see that. Yeah, man,
Yeah.
And I even just hearing a little small synopsis of you, it's a full journey that bro.
Yeah, man.
A full journey,
Man.
You went through the school system,
Yeah.
you did everything society told you to do, but yet still you were unable to get a job.
There you go.
And mainly because of you being blind.
Yeah, man, because a lot of the companies that I went to get jobs on, so eventually they employ other persons and things.
Because of
I think, yeah.
But regardless of that, you never met that stop you.
No, I never make it stop me.
I can recall seeing you on campus, seeing you at events, and you partying and living it up and enjoying life.
Yeah, man.
Enjoying life.
Yeah, because to tell the honest truth, despite being blind and thing, persons with disabilities want the opportunity to live a normal life like everybody else. Because to tell you the honest truth, I believe that if systems were put in place to make our lives much easier, then probably would be very happy. I want to do happiest.
In life, yeah.
Yeah, man.
In life.
Because a very important point I can note. Right now I'm doing my selling and thing, and I'm restricted because our notes in Jamaica are not made to benefit
for legally blind persons.
Exactly. So there's no raised print on them or braille or any form of identification. So when I go out there and sell and thing, I'm at the mercy of the customers. It's sad, but it's true.
Part of the journey.
Yeah,
part of the journey. Seeing you making a transition from a university student, and you graduated how long ago?
2013.
So you graduated 2013, same year as me. So seeing you graduating and seeing what you're doing now, it compelling.
Yes.
Beyond measures, because like you stated, you never met that stop you. So you couldn't get a regular 9 to 5.
Exactly.
But you went out and you found a way to make a living for yourself.
Exactly, because to tell you the honest truth, that's my only source of income right now, because I have bills to pay. I have to pay rent, light bill, water bill, buy grocery.
I take care of everything.
And take care of everything for myself. And you know, I have to give thanks to my customers, you know, persons who are traveling overseas and buy stuff from me to take to their family, like Gizaadas and Drops, Peanut Cake, Asham, Grater Cake. Those are the things that make me survive. I go like University of the West Indies. Well, it's kind of closed now due to the Corona pandemic. But students up there will support me as well. Different business places in the corporate area have to give thanks. And, you know, I'm appealing out to the general public, you know, anybody can call and, you know, if you'd like to support me and thing, I can give my number as well.
Yeah, man,
I can be reached at 876-433-8352. That's 1-876-433-8352. Look forward to the support, man.
Yeah, cool. Man. And people seeing your story will always be willing to support, because like you're actually an inspiration for others. And so like yourself and even quote unquote normal people, because like you have some persons who just be quick to give up. Is a man said, and nothing wrong with them. So seeing you do what you're doing right now is just profound on many levels, because it shows that, well, guess what? Even though you have a disability, well, this is your ability. I say you have to be mindful how you use that word, but this is your ability.
This is my ability.
Exactly, and you're using it to make strives in life,
and to also be a motivation to others, because you know, you have persons out there in a similar situation would need like that guiding light, somebody to basically show them that hey,
it is possible.
It is possible. It is possible.
All right, so outside of the selling, you're also an artist, a budding artist, right?
Yeah, man.
From them time, I used to go to events, I used to see a DJ and things. So what I want for you to do is just give us an idea, or give us some lyrics from two of your songs, two of your favorite songs.
Well, you know, my artist name, you know, you can check me out on YouTube. It's Dr. Pleasure. That's DR space Pleasure. Presently, I have two songs on YouTube. One of them is Get Girl and another one is Shoe Fly. But I'm going to give you a synopsis of two of my other songs. So this one is Hustling. Goes like this. Hustling hard every day. I fi make the money cause the bills I fi pay you me. Moral strong, they up the same way. Now follow them pon the lean pathway you me. Hustling hard every day. Me I fi make the money cause the bills I fi pay you me. Moral strong, they up the same way. Now follow them on the wrong. Big up every hustler. We sell the herbs from the corner. Now no car, so big up taxi driver. Food I fi cook, shout out to the farmer. Plant up the yam, plant the banana. And me know in them one bag of drama. Me love me but me so pound the cassava. Extra knowledge the son and the daughter. Fi pay for the books and the private tutor. Hustling hard every day. I fi make the money cause the bills I fi pay you me. Moral strong, they up the same way. Now follow them more. Next tune.
Next one.
Shopping spree. Money missing in action. They uptown and I make crazy million money. Fear me have a few questions. Why don't you say you no jam? Me sing your money. Make you no come in and they get to. How will you feel say we no have hungry belly to money? Why you no stay in the slum? As we get a change why you quint it down. Up to every day you eat up in the big man pocket. Feed them pan champagne, fish and rabbit. Give them big Benz, see them floss in night, and when rain fall them splash you with it, but it and fear cause it up with the rich. When after we hard work them exploit to get it. Minimum wage them give with service, and the government can't even wait to tax it. Yeah, money.
Yeah, man.
Ready for take on the world, man. We just need
the talent there, they just need the right exposure.
Just need the right exposure, the right platform, somebody for, you know, put up my music out there and thing, and selling and thing. I just opportunity, you know. And I forgive thanks to Good News Jamaica. Charles, I had big up yourself. I really appreciate the highlight and thing. Blessings, man.
I can tell you
and Andre, blessings to you too.
Always.
We know you do your thing to overcomers.
Always,
and thing.
I always like to reach out to make sure I do my part to help you get the exposure that you need. As a message,
man.
A wise person has said, everybody will have the talent in it, but it's not just a talent. It's who you can link with to get that talent out there. I'm saying you're selling and you're DJing. Just keep on doing what you're doing, and it will happen at the right time.
Man, I believe that, man.
Definitely happen at the right time.
I believe that, man.
Before we do go, would you mind actually sharing with me your qualifications?
Oh yes, man. All right. So as I said earlier, I have a degree in management studies, entrepreneurship, and that is at the University of the West Indies. In terms of job interests, I'm qualified to work in anything to do with marketing, customer service, entrepreneurship, you know, those type of stuff. I'm a pretty rounded person.
Okay, good.
You know, very good on the computer, and you know, can think on my feet and all those stuff. I just need the opportunity you know.
So question. So are you good at like writing papers and stuff like that too?
Yeah, man.
Okay, cool.
Essays, paper, projects, those type of stuff, because well-rounded, you know.
Yeah, man, love that, love that. So you're a creative.
Yes.
Me as a DJ, entrepreneur,
can write songs. Can, you know, write poems, stories. Trust me.
What can't you do?
Boy, that's the question.
Love that. Robert, we definitely appreciate it. Taking the time out to actually coming and sharing everything that you do with us. And we actually appreciate the chance to get to highlight you for doing all that you're doing. And we definitely look forward to great things.
Definitely.
Because great things are coming.
Yes.
And just keep on doing what you're doing. And we'll always keep in touch.
Yes.
And mad it up. So we just finished doing a wonderful interview with the amazing Robert Williams. Legally blind, but guess what? He not make that stop him none at all. If you need Gizaada, drops, Grater Cake, whatever Jamaican treats you might need, reach out to Robert. He is the man. He's also a budding artist, a creative. People, check him out. I'll leave the number where you guys can actually reach out to him. Have a blessed one, and make sure you check out the wonderful Robert Williams. What was that? Mod.
Thank you for checking us out on Good News Jamaica TV for content that informs, inspires, and transforms. Please like, share, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more positive Jamaica content. Walk good,